Okay, here's a demonstration of the replacement RCA radio AM/FM stereo with 8-track. On top I have the stock connectors that are loose. Apparently this was cut and then wired in directly to whatever car this was ever in. This thing was stored really well. It's in really nice shape for the year. One of the best I've seen. Inside super clean. I did send pictures of it. Chrome and everything is still in really nice shape. Very, very unusual for this year to be that clean. What's important is the sound. This is FM. Came on beautifully. What I love is the illuminated dial and the illuminated stereo. The tuner works great. No problems. Picks up a lot of stations. I didn't get all the presets correct, but the presets do work. The push buttons, it moves the dial across. All of them work. Let's see. AM works fine. Nice sound from AM. Tape. It's going to be difficult to do one-handed. I have this 8-track tape. I'm going to plug it in as best I can. The tape sound is incredible. I really like the tape. I also like the feature. It illuminates the tracks. Really nice. To select the tracks, you just touch this and it goes to number 2, number 3, number 4. Eject does work. It's a mechanical eject. I'm not used to that, but it works fine. Just press that, it comes out, and then it goes back to whatever radio setting you had. I had it on AM, FM.
And so that baby monitor story is
really
really
nice.
a moment of
Fader works great.
really an epic moment of
I have a pair of speakers above and a pair of speakers on the floor, and it goes back and forth.
Let me ask you this.
Is it front and back in a car? Tone does work.
This perfect facade, or better facade, and then being caught behind closed doors with the baby monitor.
So that's it. It's everything, I think.
You guys are thinking that way, right?
It's a nice radio.